The all-new 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 is finally here, and it's redefining what a full-size luxury SUV can offer. Mazda has taken everything they've learned from years of engineering excellence and packed it into a stunning package that combines performance, technology, and refinement in ways that make this SUV truly stand out. Today, we're diving deep into every detail of the CX-100, from its design and interior to its performance, tech features, and pricing, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mazda CX-100 immediately grabs attention. Mazda's signature Kodo design language is fully evolved here. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp sculpted body lines give the CX-100 a commanding presence on the road. Every curve and angle has been meticulously crafted, giving it a sophisticated yet aggressive stance. Available in multiple premium finishes, including Sonic Silver, Deep Crystal Blue, and Polymetal Gray, the CX-100 manages to feel modern without ever losing its timeless elegance. Moving to the interior, Mazda has clearly raised the bar. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and technology. High-quality leather seats are standard, with optional Nappa leather upgrades for those seeking ultimate luxury. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while soft-touch materials cover nearly every surface, making the CX-100 feel like a true premium SUV. The seating layout is flexible, offering 3 rows with generous legroom. The second and third rows are both spacious enough for adults, making family trips or long drives incredibly comfortable. Technology in the CX-100 is state-of-the-art. A massive 14.5-inch digital display serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the optional premium sound system delivers crisp audio across all 3 rows. Mazda's intuitive infotainment system keeps drivers connected without feeling cluttered, and advanced voice controls allow for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-100 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving styles. The standard option is a 3.5-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine producing 400 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking maximum performance, there's a hybrid variant combining a 3.5-liter engine with an electric motor for a combined output of 450 horsepower and improved fuel efficiency. Both options come with Mazda's iActive AWD system and a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth, responsive driving across city streets, highways, and off-road conditions. Safety is another area where the CX-100 shines. Mazda has equipped this SUV with a full suite of advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Additionally, collision avoidance systems with automatic emergency braking help prevent accidents before they happen. With these technologies, the CX-100 not only feels safe but actively protects everyone inside. Now let's talk about cargo and practicality. Despite being a full-size SUV, the CX-100 offers over 45 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, and up to 80 cubic feet with all rear seats folded. Smart storage compartments, underfloor storage, and an easy-to-use power liftgate make loading luggage or gear effortless. Whether it's a weekend getaway or daily errands, the CX-100 balances luxury with real-world usability. Pricing for the 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 starts at around $73,000 for the base model, making it competitive in the full-size luxury SUV segment. Fully loaded, including the hybrid option and premium packages, the price can reach up to $92,000. Considering the level of technology, luxury, and performance on offer, it represents excellent value compared to other SUVs in this class. In summary, the 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 is a true statement of what a modern luxury SUV should be. It combines bold design, premium interior comfort, cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and advanced safety features all in one package. Whether you're navigating city streets, heading on a cross-country road trip, or tackling rough terrain, the CX-100 delivers confidence and sophistication in every mile. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that's not just about size but about precision, style, and capability, the 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 deserves your attention. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more reviews of the latest luxury SUVs. Comment below if you'd consider making the CX-100 your next SUV and let us know which trim or color you're most excited about.